basket and above the basket. I actually put that together.
Oh.
That's a little bit.
You can put your food in the basket, honey. There. Can you get a drink?
Fill it up in the sink.
Water.
Here's the sink.
I know how to make a water sound. I know how to make a water sound. Nana, can I have a drink?
Oh,
Thank
nice.
This is yummy. Anna, what is this? This is really good. You should try some.
Anna, can I have some water too?
Anna, Izzy and Mom want some water.
Thank you.
I want the oven steak.
Cheers.
Okay, Anna, say bye-bye.
Oh yeah, why won't that stay closed?
Anna, look at me. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thank you, Nana and Papa.